Hello students, welcome to BTech 360. The Comet K round 1 cutoffs have just been announced, and what we're doing now is we're going branch wise and telling you the top 10 colleges and what kind of cutoffs that you have in round 1 of this year, comparing it with what happened in round 1 last year, and also comparing it with what happened by the time the entire 4 rounds of counseling finished in last year based on Comet K counseling and colleges accepting a Comet K score. So right now what we're doing is Comet K counseling 2026. Round 1 cutoff is what we're comparing between last year and this year, but we're talking of the top core branches only, mind you. We've already done one for CS and allied branches. We've also done the top 10 colleges which are accepting Comet K. But right now what we're doing is only the core branches. If you're interested in core branches, this is meant for you on Comet K. And a lot of students have reached out to us wanting some kind of a counseling or help in getting into the better private colleges, because there is a possibility that these people are not getting the colleges of the choice or the branch of the choice, and they want both as a combination. For that, we opened a helpline number, which is 8130 376334. Send us a message, apply, on this number, and we'll actually have one of our counselors call you up. If you want to get into any of the foreign universities campuses that are being set up in India, there are about 12-15 of them which are being set up in India based on Government of India's permission, and they are all UGC approved, and they are all in the top 500 colleges, universities in the world ranking for setting up campus in India. In which, if you want to get into that they include Bristol, York, Aberdeen, Illinois, which is a US based thing, Victoria, or Liverpool, which is based in Bangalore. Then send us a message on the same number, foreign, which is 8130 376334, and we'll have one of our counselors call you there also. Now about the colleges, we're talking of core, right? So the first thing let's talk about is civil, and we're talking of the round 1 cutoff in the current year, round 1 cutoff of the last year, round 1 cutoff in the current year, and the highest rank of last year where it ended, right? So let's talk of that. First is RB College of Engineering, Mysore Road, BE Civil Engineering, 9,731 in previous year, 6,209 in the current year. So a dramatic drop. It's become that much more competitive, but it ended with 20,917 rank last year, Comet K rank. MSRIT, BE Civil Engineering, 26,574 in last year, 13,282. Dramatic drop, almost half the drop if you noticed in the current year, and it ended with 1,09,381. This might be more competitive this time around. Then BMS College of Engineering, Basavanagudi, BE Civil, 19,183 in the last year, 13,590 in the current year, ended with 47,626 last year. Dayanand Sagar, BE Civil Engineering, 25,041 last year, 18,855 in the current year, ended with 68,618. So it traveled about 43,000 ranks by the time it closed last year. Let's see what happens this year. JSS, BE Civil, 50,951 last year, round 1 cutoff, 25,088, and almost half in the round 1 cutoff this year. It ended with 1,09,696. This year it will be much more competitive in my opinion. BMS, again 36,809 last year, BTech Civil. This year it's 27,532, again a drop. Ended with 98,837. It will be again competitive this year also. Then BIT, which is Bangalore Institute of Technology, BE Civil, 45,120 last year, 29,695 in the current year. Again a dramatic drop. Ended with 99,675. This year it will be a lot more competitive. BLDEAS VPs, Dr. PG Halakatti College of Engineering and Technology, Ashram Road, Vijaypura, Civil again, 33,065 in the current year. This is a new one. Then M. Visvesvaraya Institute of Technology, Yelahanka, Bengaluru, BE Civil, 55,967 last year, 39,964 in the current year, and ended with 1,10,094. RNS Institute of Technology, RR Nagar, BE Civil, 53,354 last year, 43,971 in the current year, ended with 92,294. Now, what we're talking now is BECE, right? Electronics, electrical, everything we're talking about here. RB College of Engineering again is the most in demand college. BECE, 762 last year, 538 in the current year. Dramatic drop again, ended with 1,399 last year. RB College again, B Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, 1,063 last year, 658 in the current year, ended with 1,790 by the time it finished last year. MSRIT, BECE, 2,302 last year, 1,502, dramatic drop of 800 ranks, ended with 4,567. This year it will wind up by 4,000 max. MS Ramaya, MSRIT again, B Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, 3,407 last year, 2,496 this year, 100 drop, 6,767 is where it ended. This year at max 6,000 is what I presume. PES College of Engineering, PES College Road, Mandya, 13,711 last year, 2,671 in the current year. Dramatic drop of 11,000, ended with 82,264. That is in threat at this point in time. BMS College of Engineering, Basavanagudi, 3448 last year, 2726 this year, ended with 7904. MSRIT again, MSR Nagar, B Electronics and Instrumentation, 3125 in the current year. Which this might be a new branch because we don't have the data for the previous year. Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, Kumaraswamy Layout, Bengaluru, BECE, 6712 last year, 534 in the current year, ended with 17,651 in the current year. Bangalore Institute of Technology, BB BEC, 11,758 last year, 7,766 in the current year, ended with 32,635. PES College of Engineering, PES College, BEC, VLSI Design and Technology, 17,464 last year. This year is 8,246, almost less than half, ended with 94,839, but this is not going to last because it will drop dramatically this year. Then we have EEE, RV College of Engineering, Mysore, again most competitive, 1,234 last year, 814 in the current year, ended with 2424 last year. MSRIT, BEEE, 4111 last year, 2964 in the current year, ended with 8406 by the time it finished counseling last year. Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, BEEE, 10,695 last year, 8,536 in the current year, ended with 36,048. The National Institute of Engineering South Campus, again EEE, 15,509 last year, 11,271 in the current year, ended with 37,414. Bangalore Institute of Technology, VV Bengaluru, 16,859 last year, 11,636 current year, ended with 54,276. BMS, Yelahanka, 15,728 last year, 12,878 in the current year, ended with 47,837 rank. Siddhaganga, EEE, 13,477 in the current year. The last year's data is not there, which means it might not have been there, or we don't have the data. RRS Institute of Technology, RR Nagar Post, Bengaluru, 26,020 last year, 23,634 current year, it ended with 89,917 by the time it finished last year. BNM Institute of Technology, Banashankari, 29,181 last year, 24,460 in the current year, ended with 91,589. M. Visvesvaraya Institute of Technology, Yelahanka, 31,113 last year, 25,356 current year, ended with 96,996 in the current last year. Then Aerospace Engineering, RV College of Engineering, Mysore Road, BE Aerospace Engineering, 2467 last year, round 1 cutoff, remember. This year round 1 cutoff is 1662, ended with 6429 by the time it finished counseling. RV College again, BE Mechanical, 4091 last year, 2742 in the current year, ended with 7032 by the time it finished. MSRIT again, BE Aerospace Engineering, 5552 last year, 3912 in the current year, ended with 14,008 by the time it finished counseling last year. BMS, BE Mechanical, 8486 last year, 4575 in the current year, ended with 21,793 by the time it finished counseling. MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, MSR, BE Mechanical, 7,930 last year, 5,415 in the current year, ended with 25,278 by the time it finished counseling. RV College of Engineering, Mysore Road, BE Industrial Engineering, 8,627 last year, 5,722 in the current year, ended with 17,533 by the time it finished counseling last year. Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, BE Aeronautical, 11,582 last year, 8,648 in the current year, ended with 37,450 by the time it finished counseling last year. MSRIT, BE Industrial Engineering and Management, 15,512 last year, 10,649 in the current year, ended with 46,626 by the time it finished counseling. Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, Kumaraswamy Layout, BE Mechanical, 20,990 last year, 13,380 round 1 cutoff this year, 55,934 is where it ended last year. Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, Kumaraswamy Layout, BE Automobile Engineering, 18,227 last year round 1 cutoff, 15,786 round 1 cutoff this year, 63,821 is where it ended the last year. So that's what you have. What we covered is the 4 core engineering branches. We already covered CS and allied branches in a separate video. We also covered the top 5 and top 10 colleges in Karnataka which are accepting common medical scores and all the branches in those colleges and what are the kind of cutoff that happened in round 1 this year, and also comparing it with what happened round 1 last year and the end last year counseling, the last score highest rank also we actually did a video. Please go through that. If you still need any help to get into any BTech college, get into a BTech in a decent college or a good college, do send us a message on this number 8130-376-334. You want to get into a Indian private college, send us a message, apply on this number. And if you want to get into a foreign university, which is basically these are foreign colleges which are setting up campus in India. So they're all in India, mind you. The government of India has allowed these foreign universities to set up campus in India, and which is what we're talking about here. And some of the best universities in the world, which is Bristol, York, Illinois Institute of Technology, Liverpool is based in Bangalore, by the way, are all setting up campus. If you want to get admission into those colleges, the message should be foreign. and one of our counselors will call you, because each of them is different counselors. So we just want to be clear of what you're looking at. And do subscribe to BTech 360, because we're creating a lot of content to help you get into the best college possible. If you want any help, reach out to us on this number. And most importantly, do send me a message if you want me to cover anything else. Thank you so much. Namaste.